Key performance indicators, KPIs, represent quantifiable metrics utilized to assess the achievement of an organization, an employee, or a particular undertaking in relation to meeting strategic and operational targets. Within the business realm, KPIs assume a pivotal role as indispensable instruments that furnish clarity regarding a company's progress towards the realization of its predetermined goals. The judicious choice and vigilant surveillance of KPIs empower enterprises to engage in well-informed decision-making, recalibrate strategies, and judiciously allocate resources. Understanding key performance indicators. KPIs exhibit variations from one company to another and from one industry to another, contingent on their distinct priorities and performance benchmarks. What serves as a KPI in one organization may not hold relevance in another. Nonetheless, the defining feature of a KPI lies in its capability to gauge the elements that hold paramount importance for the prosperity of an organization. Characteristics of effective KPIs. In order for a key performance indicator, KPI, to provide value, it should possess the following attributes. The KPI should have a clear purpose, be easily understood by all, and measurable in quantitative terms for tracking performance. It should not just measure but also provide actionable insights for decision-making. It must align with the organization's strategic goals and be assessed within a specific time frame for timely response to performance data. Types of KPIs. KPIs can be categorized into several types, including but not limited to 1. Financial KPIs. Financial KPIs focus on an organization's financial health. They include metrics like revenue growth, profit margins, return on investment (ROI), and cash flow. Financial KPIs are vital for assessing the overall financial stability and success of a company. Examples include net profit margin, return on assets (ROA), and earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization (EBITDA). 2. Operational KPIs. Operational KPIs help organizations optimize their day-to-day processes. Metrics like production efficiency, lead times, and quality control measures are essential for streamlining operations. 3. Customer-centric KPIs. These indicators quantify customer contentment and involvement. They encompass metrics such as the Net Promoter Score (NPS), customer retention rate, customer lifetime value, and the average time taken to resolve support tickets. 4. Employee performance KPIs. These metrics gauge the performance and productivity of employees. Examples include employee satisfaction scores, turnover rates, and average employee revenue. These metrics offer a comprehensive view of employee performance. Regularly tracking and analyzing these indicators helps organizations improve the work environment, reduce turnover, and optimize revenue generation. 5. Sales KPIs. Sales KPIs are crucial for tracking the performance of a sales team. Metrics like monthly sales growth, lead conversion rates, and customer retention rates are key indicators of success. 6. Marketing KPIs. In the world of marketing, KPIs are essential for tracking the effectiveness of campaigns. Metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, click-through rates, and customer acquisition cost fall under this category. Setting KPIs. Establishing KPIs is a multi-step process. Align KPIs with strategic goals. Start by clearly defining your business objectives. What do you want to achieve? Your KPI should directly align with these objectives. For example, if your goal is to increase revenue, your KPI might be monthly revenue growth. Ensure relevance. Select KPIs that are relevant and specific to each key area. These metrics should be easy to measure and provide actionable insights. For example, in marketing, KPIs can include website traffic, conversion rates, or customer acquisition costs. Define ownership. Share KPI progress with your team and stakeholders. If you notice any deviations from your targets, take action to address the issues and improve performance. Set targets. Once you've chosen your KPIs, set clear and achievable targets. These targets should be measurable and time-bound. For instance, you might set a goal of a 10% increase in website traffic in the next quarter. Review regularly. Consistently monitor your KPIs and analyze the data. Regular reviews will help you stay on track and make any necessary adjustments to your strategies. Implementing KPIs. After setting the KPIs, businesses must implement processes to track these indicators. Data collection. Determine the data needed for KPIs and ensure the data can be reliably collected. Identify the sources from which you will collect the necessary data. This might include employee surveys, HR records, financial reports, or customer databases, depending on the KPI in question. Ensure these data sources are reliable and regularly updated. Data analysis. Implement measures to validate and ensure the quality of the collected data. This might involve double-checking entries, conducting data audits, or using error-checking algorithms to spot inconsistencies. Analyze the data to interpret how the business is performing against its KPIs. Reporting and review. Periodically review your data collection processes and KPIs to ensure they remain relevant and effective. Make adjustments as needed to improve the accuracy and usefulness of your KPI data. Develop reports or dashboards that effectively communicate KPI performance to stakeholders. Challenges with KPIs. While KPIs are essential, there are several challenges businesses might face. Over-reliance on KPIs. Over-reliance on KPIs in assessing situations may overlook important qualitative factors. While KPIs are crucial for evaluating organizational performance in today's data-driven business landscape, they don't offer a complete understanding of complex situations and shouldn't be the sole basis for decision-making. Misaligned KPIs. Misaligned KPIs can lead to resource misallocation. In business and management, key performance indicators, KPIs, are crucial for measuring progress towards strategic goals. To be effective, KPIs must align with the current strategy and objectives. Misalignment can result in inefficient resource allocation. Data quality. One of the primary challenges with KPIs is ensuring data accuracy. Inaccurate data can lead to misguided decisions. Data discrepancies can arise from various sources, including manual data entry errors, data integration issues, or incomplete datasets. It's crucial to establish data validation processes and data quality checks to mitigate this challenge. Vanity metrics. Focusing on KPIs that look good on paper but do not contribute to strategic goals can mislead stakeholders. Resistance to change. Ensuring that KPIs align with your objectives can be challenging, especially when objectives change or evolve over time. KPIs should be dynamic and adjust to shifting business priorities. Regularly reviewing and realigning your KPIs with your objectives is essential to maintain their relevance. KPIs and technology. In modern businesses, technology is essential for monitoring key performance indicators, KPIs. It offers various software and analytics tools for automated data collection, analysis, and reporting. This automation provides real-time performance insights and accurate, consistent data. It minimizes human errors, ensuring reliable KPIs for informed decision-making. Automated processes also save time and effort, allowing employees to focus on interpreting data and taking strategic actions. The role of KPIs in strategic planning. KPIs are integral to the strategic planning process as they provide a means to measure progress towards the organization's strategic objectives. They allow businesses to translate their vision and strategies into quantifiable performance measures. KPIs bring clarity to strategic planning by specifying what needs to be achieved and how success will be measured. They provide a clear focus for employees, ensuring that everyone understands their role in contributing to the organization's overarching objectives. KPIs in performance management. In performance management, key performance indicators, KPIs, serve as benchmarks for employee performance and can drive behavior towards achieving the desired outcomes. They are often used as a basis for performance reviews, incentives, and career development. KPIs provide a standardized way to measure and evaluate employee performance. They offer clear, quantifiable metrics that can be compared to established targets or benchmarks, making it easier to assess how well an employee is performing in their role. Balanced scorecard and KPIs. The Balanced Scorecard is a strategic planning and management system used to align business activities with the vision and strategy of the organization, improve internal and external communications, and monitor organizational performance against strategic goals. It balances financial measures with performance measures and key performance indicators, KPIs, related to customers, internal processes, and employee learning and growth. This management framework was developed by Robert Kaplan and David Norton in the early 1990s and has since become a widely adopted approach in the business world. KPIs and continuous improvement. KPIs should promote a culture of constant improvement by being adaptable to external and internal changes. They act as diagnostic tools, indicating areas that need enhancement when consistently unmet. Regularly adjusting KPIs keeps organizations responsive to evolving market trends, customer preferences, and internal capabilities. The future of KPIs. As businesses evolve, KPIs change with big data and machine learning. These technologies enable predictive analytics, real-time data collection, and agile responses to changing conditions. Robust data processing allows for personalized KPIs, offering deeper insights into critical aspects of operations. Conclusion. KPIs are essential tools in the business environment, serving as a compass to guide strategic planning, operational management, and decision-making. They help businesses focus on what's important, making complex decision-making processes simpler and more data-driven. Effective KPIs lead to enhanced performance, better strategic alignment, and a competitive edge in the marketplace. For these reasons, KPIs are not just metrics, they are integral components of a company's strategic execution and long-term success.